5, 6, 7, and 8. Whip with the inside turn. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you repeat the move one more time. So what we did is we started out by doing simple basics. We're going to go a sugar push, 3 and 4. We hip roll it on 1, 2, 1, 2, and remember I told you leaders, pick up the foot right here, 3 and 4. If you want to do a triple out of it, or you can go 1, 2, 1 leg turn, 4, 5, and 6. One of which is okay with you guys. Basic whip. One, come to your partner. The reason why I come to my partner is so she's going to catch up to me. This is not wrong. It just means I have to work harder to come to the partner. If you notice this way, on a basic whip, if I go like this, I just have to work harder to come and get her, which means, and I'll do it this way, you see the camera, if I go there and come back, I'm not facing my partner, and so I feel like I'm out of control, I can't control her. However, if I go like this on the whip, come to her, I can control her by here in my frame, so I'm not twisted up. It's just a different style. But if you could say, I'm going to think of my partner, then her whip will be comfortable for her. So just a little tip for whatever you guys want to add into your puzzle. So basic whip, 1, 2, and I'll have this movement that we're doing too. 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do basic whip again. Inside turn, 3 and 4 on count 5. I'm going to start placing my hand right here on count 5. On count 6, she's right here, right on my right side. On count 7 and, she'll go 7 and she'll land 8, and I just free my left foot. From here, I'm going to pulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to get us onto that menu. Now I'm going to do what we call carousel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Outside turn, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Move my foot's free. My left foot's free, so all we do is we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we start the process over. So now let me just do it all the way through. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, control, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Basic whip. And I did the 3 and 4 of that sugar push. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whip with the inside turn. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you can repeat the move one more time. Go. Very nice. Thank you very much. Have fun tonight.